So objective of this module, so we are going to learn what's in iOS, so have a brief understanding of Swift, understand Xcode, IDE, and we are going to understand the structure of Swift program and compile and build a simple hello world application, and we are going to understand Swift playground. And we are going to see the basic syntax, variables, data types, structures, and classes in. So this is going to be in module one, first module. On total, we have 10 modules. Okay. So have you worked with playgrounds?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Fine. First, we are going to start with iOS architecture. So iOS architecture is basically four-layer architecture starting from core OS and to Cocoa Touch. So core OS is the bottommost layer. It is near the hardware, and the top layer is near the user. So the user will be interacting with all the UI objects like buttons, labels, switches and all those things, right? All those UI objects, user interface objects to which users are interacting with comes under this Cocoa Touch layer. Okay, and the base layer is core OS. On top of it, we have core services and then media layer. So media layer where all the audio player, video player, everything comes under this media layer. And on the topmost layer is Cocoa Touch. So this is iOS architecture, four-layered architecture. Okay, so let's see a simple like definition about each and every architecture. The first one, core OS layer, the like bottommost layer. So it encapsulates the kernel environment and the UNIX interfaces to which your application has no access for security reasons. So as a developer or as a user, you don't have much access to this core OS layer. We won't be touching this layer. So for security reasons. Okay, so that is core OS layer. And then on top of it, we have core services layer, and it is in charge of managing the system services. Okay, so it includes features like GCD, Grand Central Dispatch, and in-app purchases, iCloud storage, ARC. ARC means automatic reference counting, which comes under the topic memory management. All those things comes under the core services layer. Okay, and the third layer is media layer. So it is like very simple, as I told you, like core graphics, audio, video, all those things comes under the media layer. And the topmost layer is Cocoa Touch layer. So it comprises all the UI kit, like UI objects like buttons, labels, and whatever end user is interacting with, right? So that comes under the Cocoa Touch layer. Okay, so this I am not sure about. Like the picture is like very small. You won't be able to see the text, but actually, what I'm trying to explain is this is the whole Cocoa framework. Okay, so each layer you are seeing, right? Cocoa Touch layer, core services layer, media layer, and core OS layer. So you can see all the highlighted items inside each layer is a framework. Okay, and inside each framework you will be having classes, and inside each classes we will be having methods. Okay, I'm telling it again. So collection of methods is a class, and collection of class is a framework, and collection of framework is a layer. So we have four layers. Each layer have lot of frameworks, classes, and methods. So these are all pre-written. It comes with Xcode. You can call the respective classes and methods, and you can make use of it. So whatever class is necessary for you. For example, if you want to use map in your application, you can make use of MapKit framework. Okay, that comes under Cocoa Touch layer. And if you are going to use address book or contact list of your application, you can make use of address book layer. That is a framework. So these are all existing pre-written framework. You can make use of it. Okay, so that's it about iOS architecture, four-layer architecture, and each layer is having framework.